Tomatoes are one of the most popular fruits in the world, and the United States alone produces millions of tons every year. The amount is huge, so much that if all these tomatoes were packed into shipping containers, it would take hundreds of thousands to transport them. Much of this is grown in California, which produces almost 90% of the nation's tomatoes. These farms are not like traditional ones. They are high-tech facilities that use robots, artificial intelligence, and advanced greenhouse technology. Today, we're going to find out how tomatoes are cultivated, harvested, and processed on an enormous scale. Stick around to the end to see how they become products stocked in almost every kitchen. Subscribe now for more incredible looks at incredible industries. California's Mediterranean climate is perfect for growing tomatoes. The hot days between 70 degrees Fahrenheit and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, and cool nights provide the tomatoes with the conditions they need to grow well. The growing season begins in February and can extend into October, depending on the type of tomato and its purpose, fresh or processing. Farmers grow varieties that produce well and resist disease to ensure a high yield. Roma tomatoes are one of the popular ones cultivated in greenhouses, firm and tasty and perfect for sauces and pastes. Beefsteak tomatoes are juicy and large, often used in fresh dishes, and cherry tomatoes are small but tasty, often used in salads and as snacks. Seeds are treated before planting to prevent diseases and ensure healthy growth. Clean soil is used in greenhouses to eliminate bugs and germs. The pH of the soil is maintained between 6.0 and 6.8 to ensure nutrients are present. Farmers deliver water and nutrients through raised beds or hydroponic systems. Greenhouses have climate-controlled systems that automatically regulate temperature, humidity, and light. This provides stable growing conditions, even if the weather is changing outside. Tomatoes are usually grown using trellises, where wires or stakes support vines so they grow upward instead of spreading out. This method improves air circulation, reduces disease, and maximizes space. Greenhouse pollination is done manually or using bumblebees, as there is minimal natural wind or insect movement. Efficient watering systems like drip irrigation or hydroponics deliver water and nutrients straight to the roots, reducing waste and improving plant health. These systems enable farmers to produce quality tomatoes while conserving water. Harvesting with advanced technology. When tomatoes are ready to be harvested, they are picked in large quantities with the assistance of advanced machines and robots. In large open fields, mechanical harvesters travel quickly to collect ripe tomatoes efficiently. Some machines, like the Super P120, have electronic sorters and can pick 35 to 45 tons of tomatoes per hour, while larger machines can handle up to 70 tons. These machines use conveyor belts and shaking tools to remove tomatoes from the vines without damaging the plants. This machine-powered process reduces the need for manual labor and allows farmers to harvest massive fields in a short time. In modern greenhouses, harvesting is more precise with the help of AI-operated robots. Unlike traditional field harvesting, greenhouse tomatoes require gentle handling to prevent bruising, and these robots are designed specifically for that. With advanced cameras, the robots inspect plants to identify tomatoes that are perfectly ripe, even under changing light. The grow system, for example, works around the clock, reducing the need for human labor by up to 80%. Similarly, the Artemy robot moves through greenhouse aisles, carefully picking cherry tomatoes all day and night. Apart from harvesting, these robots also provide useful information to farmers. Some systems can even predict future yields by analyzing how many tomatoes will be ready in the next few weeks, helping growers plan. This technology-driven approach boosts productivity by ensuring efficient use of resources and early detection of plant health issues. After harvesting, tomatoes are transported to sorting facilities, where human workers and machines work together to ensure quality control. Advanced sorting machines use special cameras to scan each tomato for blemishes, sorting them by color, size, and ripeness. Damaged or unripe tomatoes are removed, and the rest are sorted according to market standards. After sorting, they undergo a thorough cleaning process using high-pressure water jets and tanks filled with bubbling water to remove dirt and impurities. These carefully controlled post-harvest steps ensure only high-quality tomatoes move on to packaging and processing, guaranteeing consistency in appearance, taste, and shelf life. The use of machines for harvesting in fields and AI-powered robots in greenhouses has revolutionized the tomato industry. These technologies make farming easier, lower labor costs, and improve the quality of the produce. As global demand for tomatoes continues to rise, automation is becoming more essential in growing tomatoes efficiently on a large scale. From fresh tomatoes to processed products. Once harvested, processing tomatoes are quickly transported to factories to keep them fresh and high quality. Upon arrival, they are sorted using machines and workers to ensure only the best tomatoes move forward. Peeling comes next, and it is one of the most important steps in processing. Traditional peeling methods use machines, hot water, steam, or lye, each with its pros and cons. However, newer technologies like infrared heating, ultrasound, and enzyme-based processes are being tested to improve efficiency and reduce waste. After peeling, the tomatoes go through another check before being crushed into pulp. The pulp is then processed to remove seeds and skin, giving it a smooth texture. Next, it is heated under a vacuum at temperatures below 100 degrees Celsius to reach the right thickness and consistency. Temperature-controlled cooking follows, where ingredients like vinegar, salt, and sugar are added depending on the type of product. In the production of ketchup, the blend is cooked longer to create a thick, smooth texture. Once ready, the mixture is sent to bottling machines, where containers are filled, sealed, and labeled for shipping. Tomato paste is another widely used product made similarly but with a thicker concentration. It is packed in large containers for industrial use or smaller cans for home cooking. Other products like diced or mixed tomatoes are canned and used in soups, stews, and pasta dishes. In 2023, the United States earned about $2.04 billion from processed tomatoes, showing how valuable these products are in both local and global markets. At the processing stage, strict quality checks are followed to ensure every batch has the same taste and texture. Each batch is tested carefully, proving the industry's commitment to delivering high-quality tomato products worldwide. After packaging, fresh and processed tomatoes follow a carefully planned journey through the supply chain to reach consumers, restaurants, and manufacturers. Fresh tomatoes stay fresh in refrigerated trucks, which move quickly from packing houses to grocery stores and restaurants across the country. At the same time, processed tomato products like sauces and pastes are shipped both within the US and internationally. The United States is one of the biggest players in the global tomato industry. In 2019 alone, the US produced around 11.19 million tons of tomatoes for processing, showing just how large the industry is. This strong production supports a growing export market. For the 2023 to 2024 season, U.S. tomato exports reached almost 385,000 tons, up 21% from the previous year, proving that more people around the world are choosing American tomato products. Locally, an efficient supply chain is critical. Factories operate 24/7 to keep up with the steady demand for tomato products. Refrigerated trucks and well-placed distribution centers help deliver fresh tomatoes to supermarkets quickly, so consumers always get high-quality produce. Since tomatoes spoil quickly, fast delivery is essential. The U.S. tomato industry is set to grow even more. Experts predict the North American tomato market will be worth about $28.83 billion by 2030, growing at an average rate of 3.0% per year. This growth means consumers will continue to buy fresh and processed tomato products, keeping tomatoes an essential part of the American diet and a key player in the global food market. The future of tomato farming. The tomato industry is changing with new technology. Artificial intelligence is making greenhouse farming more efficient, reducing resource use while increasing tomato production. Precision farming tools like satellite images and soil sensors help farmers decide the best times to plant and harvest. Automated harvesters are getting better at picking tomatoes faster and more accurately, cutting down on labor costs. Scientists are also working on new tomato varieties that last longer, taste better, and resist disease. Sustainability is becoming more important. Water-saving irrigation systems and renewable energy sources are now used on many farms to power greenhouses. Researchers are also testing biodegradable packaging to reduce waste and protect the environment. As the demand for tomatoes keeps rising, these innovations will help farmers grow more while keeping quality high. The journey from field to plate is a complex and carefully managed process. From planting in greenhouses and robotic harvesting to large-scale processing, technology plays a crucial role in keeping the tomato supply chain running smoothly. Whether eaten fresh, turned into sauce, or made into ketchup, tomatoes are a key ingredient in diets all over the world. What do you think about the size of the tomato industry? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks at how products are made. Thanks for watching.